race number 14. And the race is on. American Ruler, Sharp Cookie, Anna Divine, Holy Priest, Panama Princess. Anna Divine, Holy Priest, Sharp Cookie, Panama Princess, American Ruler. Moving up by Daral is Ninang Mule, number 3, Master Kai. Also rushing up Tin Man, Holy Priest, Anna Divine, Tin Man to grab the lead. Tin Man, the leader, Holy Priest, Anna Divine, Sharp Cookie, Ninang Mule, Panama Princess. Top Shot racing on the outside, American Ruler, and make no mistake, Master Kai. And rounding the far turn, Anna Divine, Panama Princess, Sharp Cookie, Tin Man, Holy Priest, and American Ruler. And as they race the last 500, the Anna Divine, Panama Princess, Tin Man, Badral, Sharp Cookie, Holy Priest, Top Shot, American Ruler. As they race the final corner, it's Anna Divine, a long shot, followed by Tin Man, Badral, Panama Princess, Sharp Cookie. Anna Divine, balangkan up, Tin Man, Badral, Sharp Cookie, Panama Princess. Anna Divine, Tin Man, Badral, Anna Divine, Sharp Cookie. And finally, Tin Man, Sharp Cookie, Anna Divine, Panama Princess, Top Shot, Master Kai.